amazing.
Yeah, it's good, man.
This is why I love doing it. I love hearing those positive comments. Sometimes you do get the negative, but as long as you push through it, you get really good at it, and it'll just make it better in the end. I'm feeding around 70 tonight.
First day was so stressful.
I used to be really freaked out about a lot of things.
Cooking for 70 plus people,
I'd get really nervous and stuff.
it was frustrating and a little bit confusing to do. And then Benito and Bryce were like greatly helpful.
So I can make sure it's cooked right.
We have a great crew. They're super supportive. I've kind of gotten to the swing of things, and I kind of understand, like, okay, well, he's making his meatloaf, I'm going to be prepping, and I do a lot of the cleanings.
Yeah, it's super.
I didn't even know what I was doing when I first came in here. I was not good at dicing. Now I'm pretty quick with it.
It gets cooked a little bit, but not too much.
The glaze is my family recipe. With a glaze, it makes it a lot better. It makes everybody happy. It makes me happy.
And I love everybody that I work with. I enjoy like talking to everyone. I like being in the kitchen a lot because I see everybody that comes through.
You guys ready?
Now, because of the seas, I finally got out of my shell, and I'm gonna be going soon to cook for the Coast Guard. That's something I've been wanting to do for a long time.
I want to get everything the CCC has to offer. That's why I like culinary, to be able to learn how to cook in a commercial kitchen.